Thousands of people here in Nebraska are currently living with some form of dementia. While the focus is usually on the patient, we often forget about the ones who care for them. Morning reporter Alexa Ray takes us inside a conference meant for caregivers.
Around 300 people attended today's Dementia Care Conference to not only hear about the latest research and work being done surrounding dementia, but also to connect with other caregivers.
If you look at Memorial Stadium on a Saturday, that sea of red is what we're looking at when we think about dementia in Nebraska.
About 37,000 people are diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease in Nebraska. More than double that number are caregivers for someone who has been diagnosed.
Caregivers face the greatest stress. This disease is probably one of the hardest on caregivers.
Clayton Freeman is the director of programs with the Nebraska Alzheimer's Association. He says education can provide rest for caregivers. That's the focus of this annual Dementia Care Conference.
They can come and recharge their batteries, learn something new, and be able to go back and apply that with their loved one. The day is designed to provide an overview of the latest research, how to work with and understand the behaviors and communication issues around caring for someone with dementia.
Rebecca Edelmeyer is the Director of Scientific Engineering with the Alzheimer's Association. She says understanding the need for research is essential with making advancements with this disease.
We recognize at this point that the best way to get something that's going to be a treatment or something that's going to slow, stop, or prevent Alzheimer's disease, it's going to be through medical research.
Freeman says awareness is more important than ever as people are now being diagnosed earlier.
We are now seeing in this country over 200,000 people under the age of 65.
Edelmeyer says she hopes anyone who attends the conference walks away with one thing.
I want people to leave the conference having hope that research really will bring us to a place where we will find something that's going to slow, stop, or prevent this disease.
This is the 11th year the conference is being held. It ran from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Embassy Suites in La Vista.